guys, my name is Esther Carlson. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I usually do videos more about apologetics or teaching English online, but today I just wanted to make a quick video about making masks. I just made this simple mask here. It is 2 layers and it also has a little pocket so you can insert a filter. And the straps, I wasn't too pleased with them because this elastic is pretty thick. But yeah, let me just show you quickly how I made this. Alright, so my mom gave me this mask and I use it kind of as a pattern. So I pretty much just cut 2 squares with 2 different cloths. This is going to be the outside and this is going to be the inside. Just a white cloth, since you're not going to see that anyways, doesn't really matter. I just use a simple one for that. So I cut it out a little bit bigger than this. Then I lay them together like this. And I get some safety pins and make 2 pleats on each side, and then I sew it right along there, and then I'll take these out. So next I take one of these twisty ties, these like come with loaves of bread and stuff, and then I put a small bit right there at the top and I sew it with just the top cloth underneath, and I leave a little opening on either side. Because if you want to wash it, you probably want to take it out before you wash it. So here you can see I just sewed the 2 cloths together for about 1 inch or so. Then I'm going to leave some space open so that way you can put a filter inside, or if you don't have a coffee filter, maybe you can put in a napkin or a paper towel. So now I'm going to just close up this right here. I guess I don't really have to, but it might look nicer. And then I am going to do the same thing on this side. So this together here, so that way we just have a little pocket. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. Sewed the top, sewed the bottom. Now I have cut these straps, the elastic that's going to go over your ears. Right now I have it at 16 centimeters, so we'll see if that works. And I am going to put it in right there. So next up, grab a coffee filter. Alright. You can fold it up, insert it, and there you go. And you have at least 2 layers plus the coffee filter. Alright. Alright. I think I made it a little too tight. So thanks for joining me. If you sew and have any suggestions or advice on how I can perfect this mask, yeah, don't hesitate to comment below. I just watched some videos and talked to my mom and talked to a friend, and this is, I guess, the best and easiest one I could find. So yeah, love to hear any feedback, and until next time, peace.